What's going on, guys? It's your boy James here, Beards and Cars, back with another video. And in this video, I want to talk about stepping outside your comfort zone. So, in order to grow a beard, guys, a lot of people think that you can just grow a beard like I have, or longer. A lot of people think that you can just grow it, just let it grow. Okay, so that's not even the case at all with it. If you're not used to a beard, you're not going to be able to just grow a beard this length and at some point in time not want to cut it off. So stepping outside your comfort zone is what I'm talking about in this video. You have to step outside boundaries in order to grow a beard this long. So there are certain things you got to do. You got to deal with a lot of different stages of beard growth, and a lot of other things that you might not really like upon, or along the way of growing a beard this long. So right now, I'm doing something I've never done before with my beard, and it's pushing me outside my comfort zone. So I had to just realize it and take it. And if my beard wasn't this long, I probably wouldn't be able to do it. So, but what I've been doing the past, I don't know, maybe the past 3-4 weeks, something like that, is I've been growing my neckline out. This is something I've never done before. Not ever have I had a bearded neck. I just never had one, guys. I just don't like it. I don't like hair all over my neck. I've always shaved my neckline above my Adam's apple just a little bit. Right at the top of my Adam's apple, or about a finger or two up, is where I've always shaved my neckline. So now I'm stepping outside that zone, and I'm growing the neck beard. I'm growing the dreaded neck beard. So this is me growing it out, guys. It ain't very long. It's maybe an inch or two, something like that. But it's usually up here. This is usually where I grow it, right about here. So I've stepped outside my comfort zone, and I'm growing that neck beard. Now, if this hair wasn't covering it up, I'm not sure I can do it, man. I'm really not sure I can do it. It's still hard for me to grow this thing, even though I can't hardly see it. And because of stuff like this, over here, down here on the bottom, it's growing back like that. And this side ain't quite growing as long as that. It's a lot shorter. You can barely see it, and it's not growing back all crazy like this side. So yeah, guys, it's not easy to grow, certain things, if you're not used to it. Like, the neck and the mustache is those are my hardest targets. So I don't know if I ever grow my mustache much longer than this, but this neckline, I'm gonna grow it out. And the reason I'm gonna grow it out, it's really hard. It's really hard for me to grow this out because I just can't stand the neckline, guys. I can't stand hair on my neck. I never have been. Even when my beard was much shorter, I always shaved my neckline up, so I had a nice clean neck. So now I'm trying to grow it out. But the main reason I'm trying to grow it out now is to fill in some of this negative space back here and let this catch up with the front a little bit more. I'm not sure how much longer I'm gonna grow this thing. It's a pretty good length to me, but every month I seem like I want to grow it just a little bit longer. I feel like I push it a little bit more and let it grow. Although I have been doing a little bit of heel trims here and there to let other areas catch up, things of that nature. But that neckline, guys, it's hard for me to do, guys. It's hard. Every morning I wake up, every night I take a shower, and the first thing I think about is cutting that neckline back to where it was. So you got to be disciplined enough. A lot of people think it's easy. A lot of people think it's real easy just to grow a beard. It's not as easy as people think, man. It's just not as easy as people think. So you got to be disciplined enough to push past that part right there, like I'm trying to do now, and just grow it out, man. It ain't easy, man. That's all there is to say about it. So discipline and pushing past boundaries, guys. That's one of the things it's about. As far as just growing a beard out and being on a beard journey. So if you guys are in a new beard journey and you made it this far into the video, you guys bear with it. It's going to get there. It's going to get to where you like it eventually if it's not there yet. But you guys just bear with it, man. It's not easy. It's not as easy as people think they say. You know, a lot of people think it's just as easy as not shaving, and that's just not the case. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video, guys. And yeah, if you're in that stage, you know, you're trying to, there's a part that you can't do, man. You gotta step outside your boundary and your comfort zone, man, and just get it done. So yeah, something I never did before. The back line, I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it. So that being said, see you guys in the next video. Peace.